Hi, today we'll cook potato roll with pork and beef meat. We will need 700 grams meat, a mix of half pork, half beef, 500 grams cheese, 1 onion, 3 potatoes, green and red pepper, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, paprika and parsley. First, we cut the potato in slices. We put cheese in a baking tray. Then net the potatoes. Add salt and oil. Bake until soft. Cook the onion. Add the meat. When cooked, add the peppers. Tomato sauce. Add salt. Pepper. And paprika. Parsley. Add more cheese on the potatoes. Add the meat. Then more cheese. And roll it together. Add more cheese on top. Bake until the cheese is melted and is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.